G'day everyone, thanks for joining us. Well, should I say joining me. I'm down here by myself doing a solo, got the swag on stilts. Camp's all set up, I've got the rod in, running a bit late, pumped for time, so first thing on the agenda is get the fire lit, get that camp oven warmed up because I'm having pies. Alright, stay tuned. What I forgot to mention, I have mentioned before, is this place, King's Billabong, is very popular, you know, like especially through festive times, like we just had Easter and the place was chock-a-block full. And yeah, you can see some hoons get down here. I'll put some footage in of what I saw on the way in. So yeah, just letting you know that you might hear a bit of background noise of some people camping. Not camping, but fishing. So, bear with me. Back this way. Yeah, in between stoking the fire and getting some more firewood, the bells were going. There we have it. First on the board. Right. Woohoo! Right. Ooh, tripped on the log. No, I tripped on the rod holder. Alright, get rid of this one. Stoke the fire. Rebait my hook. Might have a drink. bad, eh? Cleaning out the bong. Oh, there he goes, jumped off the hook. Time to put in the ingredients.
Whew, that was hard work.
Alright, that took a bit of effort getting that one in. He's not that big, I don't think. Not like Mrs. Yowie's PB. Ooh. Settle down. Might have to put my foot on his head and grab hold of his tail and give it a stretch. He's only 73 centimetres. So yeah, not the biggest, but geez, it was fun getting it in. And just a quick shout out to Brent from Tasmania, who has ordered himself a hoodie off the merch store. So yeah, he'll be here, so check him out. What a stud. The only bloke in Tassie walking around with one of these on. Hey? He looks beautiful. On you, Brent. Cheers, man, for checking out the merch store. And don't hesitate to get any more. Simple Simon met a pieman going to the fair. I won't finish it, it's rude. Anyhow, like I said, I'm having a pie. So, there's the pie ingredients. And here's the pie shell. Just don't look at my pastry skills. Mrs. Yowie would kill me if she's seen this. She's gonna see it anyhow, she edits the videos, but that was my best attempt. Then that's gonna go in there. I'm going to put some strips across the top, chuck it in the camp oven, and probably about 20 minutes to half an hour, I'll have a look. Right, let me get filling this pie. Going to be a big pie. And I just heard me bells ringing. Oh, get in there. Alright, that was the final touch up. Some sesame seeds. Now she's ready to go in the camp oven. In it goes. There's a trivet in there for it to sit on. Then we'll chuck some coals on the lid because we want the top to brown up. All right, give that 20. And now for the reveal. Don't look at the burnt bit. There we have it. I don't know how I'm going to get that out. I think I might just have to eat it out of the bowl, out of the dish. But looks yummy. Pie for me pie hole. Oh. Yum. A little bit better than that pottage. Medieval pottage. Poor buggers back then. This is the way to go. That's the stuff. Alright, one last stoke up at the fire. Bells haven't rung for a little while. I might finish me cappuccino and my little banana meringue. Chocolate banana meringue. Oh, I'll tuck into this. Alright everyone, I'll bring you back in the morning. Still no bells ringing. See you in the morning. Good morning, everyone. Yep, made myself a coffee. Fish have been jumping, got the rod in, waiting. See how we go. It's chilly this morning. Son of a bitch. That nearly took me right in the water. Snag me hook. Spat the hook. Get another worm. Well, as you've seen, the fish are biting, but they're taking me into the snag over here and jumping off the hook. Annoying. But anyhow, time to cook me up some breakfast, I think. Mushies and taters. All cooked up. Breakfast. Alright, well, I'm going to rip into this and hopefully the fish start hooking on instead of just taking my bait. They've been trying to pinch me food all morning. Magpies and butcher birds. Swarmed by them. Alright everyone, that brings us to the end of this video. Yeah, a little overnighter. Got a few big fish last night, but nothing this morning. Had a wicked feed, had a big pie. Nothing, scum. There you go. Alright, well, I'm going to say cheerio for now. Be safe around the campfire. Stay tuned for the next episode. Yeah, on my way out, thought I'd have a better look. Thought I heard sirens and that this morning. The peanuts set fire to it. Bloody dickheads. Unbelievable. It was probably a good car at one stage.